Finally, I wanted to go over a few tools that we haven't used but that are really useful when soldering. The first one is tip tinner. It's a mild acid that's used to clean the tip of soldering irons. So if your wet sponge or brass wool aren't quite working, something like this is really useful to use. The second thing is flux. It's contained in most solders, but you can also get it in liquid or paste form, and it's a chemical cleaning agent, so it's used to clean the metal surfaces so that the solder will better stick to it. And we also haven't talked about desoldering, but it's also something useful to know when you are soldering. And to be able to do that using a solder pump like this is very useful. This one is activated with a spring, so I push down on this lever, and once I have a molten puddle of solder, I can click this button and it sucks up all of the solder into the tool. And it has a thermally resistant plastic at the end, so I can get it right up close to my joint. The second thing to desolder is solder wick. It's a copper braid that has flux in it, and it's used to absorb the molten solder when we're trying to clean it up.